Okay, so I got some questions about this Module 2 assignment, so I just want to clarify. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to review the materials. Then you're going to, and the state standards. Then you're going to preview the PowerPoint presentations. So after you do that, so then you pick your preferred grade, right? So I'm picking K to second grade, for example. So that's what I'm going to pick. Then you pick one content area. So you can choose math or literacy. So let's say I want to choose math. So that's what I'm going to pick. Then you're going to pick either a strand or a domain. So if it's literacy, they're called strands. If they're math, they're called domains. And so, for example, the PowerPoint in D2L, the PowerPoints explain, so this is the PowerPoint here from D2L, how to read the ELE standards. So here, K to 12 Common Core, you see, these are the strands, right? Counting and cardinality, operations and algebraic thinking. So these are the different strands. So I'm going to go, right, this is the substrands for literacy, but I'm talking about math, so I'm going to go down to math. So these are the strands: operations and algebraic thinking, numbers and operation of base 10, numbers, operation of fractions, measurement and data. So here it gives all the strands for math. So I'm going to pick, or I guess the domains is what they're called, not the strands. So the domains for math. So I'm going to do, so I'll put here the strand or the domain is what it's called in math. I will put, so numbers and algebraic thinking. And then the presentation also said, operations and algebraic thinking, not numbers. So operations and algebraic thinking, and then the other one was, go back to the presentation, numbers and operations at base 10, numbers, operation fractions, measurement, data. So I put all of these, one in each one. If I did literacy, so let's say I was doing literacy, right? I'm not doing math. Let's say instead I'm going to do literacy. So now I'm doing literacy. I'm going to go and look at the strands for literacy, which are here. So key idea details, craft and structure, integration, key ideas and details. The strands are literature, informational text, foundational skills, writing standards, speaking and listening. So I'm going to put here literature, writing, speaking and listening, etc. for the strands. Then if it's literacy, I'm doing the substrands. If it's math, I'm doing the domains. So for literature, one of the substrands would be, for example, key ideas and details. For writing, one of the substrands would be types and purposes. So if this was, so that's for literacy. If this was math, I would put, if this was math, then I'm going to the math here. I would put the operations and algebraic thinking would go here, right? The strand, operations and algebraic thinking. And then here, the domain would be represents and solves problems involving multiplication and division, right? Or uses place value and understanding. So this is what I'm putting there. At the end, then if I chose literacy, I'm going to choose just one substrand. If I chose math, I'm just choosing one cluster. So let's say this is I chose literacy, so I'm just choosing types and purposes. So that's what I'm going to put here, types and purposes. Then I'm going to use that and answer these questions just using this writing, types and purposes. And I'm going to answer these questions. And then I'm going to answer this reflection question. So that's essentially how you do this assignment. Please let me know if you have any questions and we can talk through it together. But basically, this assignment is just to help you take a deeper look at the standards and have a deeper understanding of what they're asking you to do.